Hello traders, welcome back to Rise for Freedom. So let's see what happens today in the market. So yesterday we had the rejection from the level of Bitcoin. So same story. If we manage to get uh, a closure, a good closure above these levels, then we might expect maybe a little retest of this kind of a tunnel, like a sideways uh, channel, and then we can probably target the all-time high. Otherwise, we're gonna play a little bit in this range, and then probably uh, go below these levels, retest it, and then uh, bear market. So Ethereum, same story as Bitcoin, BNB, same story as Bitcoin. So yeah, not too much, not too much. So I already checked, but yeah, let's take a look at everything. So Aave, we break the trend line. Now we are retesting it. Today we just uh, kiss this trend line, and let's see tomorrow. If tomorrow we get a good closure, maybe around this level. So let's say um, let's say we have this kind of this closure like this. Imagine this, it's a candle, so or maybe even better like this, then we can expect a good acceleration on the upper side. On the other hand, if we uh, close like this, then we might expect to go test the resistance zone, so or the support zone. Let's see. Same story here. Actually, we're a little bit far on ADA, far from the trend line, but same story, same story. Avax, same. Dodge, same. I don't know if you ever realize, but sometimes when you open the Dodge chart, uh, the meme coin, I will say, yeah, meme coin of Elon Musk appears and it kind of make a little dance for a couple of seconds. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. I hope someday we're gonna catch it. Dot. We are waiting until we go retest this resistance zone near protocol. Same story. We're waiting until the price come back to the support zone. OP. Same story here. We are in this channel. Pendle. I think if we can go retest this level one more time and then get closure above this level, then we might expect a good acceleration on the upper side. Let's keep an eye on it. So wild, yeah, Solana, we came into the support zone. Now we are pushing on the upper side. If we manage to get closure above these levels, then we might expect uh, maybe a retest and an acceleration to the upper side. No, it's not the all-time high. Let me see. This is the all-time high. Yeah, we're pretty far from it. Let me see. Yeah, 100% far away from the all-time high. Which I would say with cryptos, it's not that big of a deal. 100% is not really much. It's a lot, of course, but cryptos, yeah. Look at this, man. How much is this? I already saw 800. I'm like, no, man, I can't see these things. Yeah, while we are retesting this level, we break the trend line. Let's say what happened. Usually, when a level fails to get a good acceleration, then it's pretty good to go on the opposite side. So We had this beautiful levels over here. We just spit a little bit uh, after it, and then we are already back to this above this level. So yeah, sorry guys. Let's keep an eye on it. Find me another another trade at the blurb on a YouTube video. Oh my god, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna go a little bit because it didn't happen too much actually. So we are in the same situation as always. This one is pretty cool. So if we manage to, or yeah, later I'm gonna show you something really interesting. I still didn't finish my report, but yeah, I have some good result, some good news. So if we manage to do this, then we got the signal. Now we are here. If we don't break these levels over here, we stop here, we make a higher low, and then we break above this level, then it's gonna be a huge movement to the upper side. Later I'm gonna explain you why. But yeah. Sorry, I don't see anything interesting to be honest. Oh yeah, this is signal from the weekly. On Sunday we're gonna take a look at all the signal that we got, and let's see what happens. So let's go directly to the. Oh no, yeah. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know. We failed to get a good acceleration to the lower to the downside. So if we manage to get closure above this, I wouldn't target this one. I will target this one, because this is like a momentum candle. We didn't eat the whole structure over here. So it's pretty good, it's pretty solid. If we manage to get a good closure above this level, then we might expect an acceleration to the upper side. I already said this thing, so I think 50 times since the beginning of the video. Here we are pushing on the upper side, so we are rejecting the support zone, yeah, or better, the support zone is doing its job. Let's see what happens. Same thing here. Here I'm quite skeptical to go on the upper side. I will say if we broke and then go back to retest, and then we might have an acceleration to the downside. Anyway, all these are uh, weekly support and resistance zones. We're just seeing in details because it's the daily. Same thing here. I think these are good or really good opportunities. If Bitcoin, of course, doesn't came up with some crazy movement. I think those are pretty good trades. Why we don't have or maybe I deleted it. Yeah, here it is. Pretty good. It's like a floor, looks like a floor. Oh. Here we barely missed to go a little bit there. I would prefer to go a little bit deeper just to grab some volatility, to take some uh, orders, because in this region a lot of orders are waiting to be triggered. So let's see what happens. Yeah, here we have. So we break the support zone. Now is a resistance zone. Yesterday we said if we manage to get closure below this level, because we already retested then we might expect a good acceleration. So yeah, let's see what happens today. I did just three trades. The first trade, I closed it manually. I was in a short position over here. I closed it manually because as soon as I enter, it just spiked up like this, and it didn't fill me the stop. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna close it. Thanks God, it didn't got me to the stop. Oh yeah, let me show you. Oh, you like my new background? So BSV, we just got little loss, uh, no problem at all. Now you see, we're gonna check the profit, BSV, this one. So this, we got the signal. I thought because this morning Bitcoin was acting like a bitch and was coming to the downside. So I was like, I'm gonna follow Bitcoin for this one, and then this happens, and just I prefer to just close it where it was. Here we got on gun. We had a good signal from all this previous rally, so we already we were creating like kind of a zone, kind of a level. So I was like, if we manage to get below this level, I'm gonna take short position. That's what I did, and yeah, don't look at this because my stop was like this, and it was trailing stop. So this one was a profit. We're happy. And Velvet today was crazy. Look at this. Look at this, man. Yeah, we got the signal, and I was somewhere around here. I was like, if uh, we tested one, two, three times this level, once we break it, two times we break it, nothing happened, always rejected. So I was like, if the third time just goes below, I'm gonna take a short position, but we didn't close below the level, and we tested again and then rejected. I was like, okay, I'm going long, but it kept going sideways for the whole day, except for this little spike over here, which took my stop somewhere around here. Yeah. And then when it came back, it just hit my stop. It's like I went all with all of trees. I went in with 500, so I was risking like 10 euros to make 10 euros. So pretty good. That's just because today we only got three good signals, and I was like, no. There were a lot of signals today, but I didn't took any of those. I didn't like those, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something. I'm doing like a statistic for my strategy. So it's good. It's good. I already did this many times, so I know my stats. But still, just to be clear, because sometimes maybe you see I'm talking about signal, but uh, you don't know how it works and stuff like that. So I'm like, I need to show you what my stats are. Um, these are my stats on the 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay, and I'm selected 100 coins to test. For now, this is the result. Keep in mind, I enter as soon as the signal show up. Okay, this is how I trade my signal. It's like for the long signal, we got good push on the downside with the signal. We come back to retest the EMA, we make a higher low, and then after we make a higher low, we enter the market. Okay. Usually I enter as soon as it makes a higher low, so my stop is quite low and my profit is way easier to get hit. Always one to one with a trailing stop. So that's how I trade my strategy. Same thing here. We got so if we got the signal before the the imbalance over here, I take the trade on the higher low. On the other hand, if we got a lower low, let's say we are in a downtrend, we have lower low, lower high, lower low with a sweep. I'm using this like kind of line just to be um, how you say just to keep it simple. I also have some pictures about the trades and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you in a bit. So we make the sweep, we come back, and I enter as soon as we close the candle. Usually I don't wait until the candle close. I just need to see that the price is coming back to this level. I enter the trade with a stop. You see the stop is quite close to the low, to the previous low. So it's not a really high risk trade. Same story uh, with a short signal. So we got an upper trend. Uh, we got the signal over here, uh, lower high, no, higher low and lower high. And then we go, I enter the trade over here. Same story as here. Uh, if we got the signal before the lower high, if we got the signal after the lower high, I just enter as soon as the price come back in this level. This is like a Wyckoff schematics, kind of like this, and this four situation are where the majority of my target get hits. So I don't enter as soon as I get the signal. I just wait a little bit, and then I see. I just let it run. Let it run. I'm gonna show you some example of this. You see? So we got movement. Okay. So like this, we come back, higher high, and then we come back again. Let's see. Same story here. We got uh, a higher high, lower high, excuse me, higher low, lower high, and then we go short. Another example is this one. Oh, let me see if I can find a long one. Yeah, here it is. So movement to the downside. We got the long signal on the lower low, and then we got a higher low. We come back, and then as soon as we got the higher low, we enter the market, and then we just let it run. And the stop, it's always below this level. Let me see if I can find another one. Pa, 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 pa. Yeah, but yeah, that's the same thing. We got the signal after uh, a lower high. So I just enter the market as soon we come back to this level with a stop above the high. It's super simple, guys. It's really simple. Cannot be more painfully simple than this. Uni. Oh no, yeah, the uni. I think I was doing how you say, the screenshot. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you at the update. Once I finish the whole analysis, the whole statistics, I'm gonna reveal it to you also with the numbers and stuff like that. And yeah, for now, that's it, I think. Yeah. Uh, I'm gonna see you tomorrow, maybe. So, bye bye.